This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 4th, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.92 points or 0.22% to 419.85. Total trade volume was down with 57,812 shares changing hands at a total value of 300.7 million real or over $75,000. On the main board, two stocks were up. Leading the market was Akleda Bank, up 0.83% or 60 real to 7,280 real per share, followed by Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, which rose 0.64% or 40 real to 6,320 real per share. On the other hand, three stocks were down. The biggest loser of the day was Pestec Cambodia, down 1.44% or 40 real to 2,740 real per share, followed by Grand Twins International, which dropped 0.57% or 40 real to 7,000 real per share. Phnom Penh Autonomous Port was also down 20 real to 14,100 real per share. Meanwhile, the remaining four stocks on the main board stayed flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land rose 1.14% or 30 real to 2,660 real per share, while DBD Engineering remained flat at 2,160 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 27,144 shares changing hands at a total value of 197 million real or $49,000, approximately 47% of the total trade volume on Thursday. MJQ Education recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 9,621 shares changing hands at a total value of 19 million real or $4,700, about 16% of the total trade volume on December 4th. In other market news, the Cambodia Securities Exchange has officially approved Picasso City Garden Development PLC for listing, with trading set to begin on December 10, 2025, under the ticker symbol PCG. The real estate developer offers voting shares with a guaranteed 7% annual dividend yield for 5 years based on the IPO price. A total of 54,907,018 shares will be listed, including 4,907,018 IPO shares with a par value of 200 real and an offering price of 4,800 real. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD was stable at 4,010 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 98.82. Looking at global commodities, oil prices firmed on Thursday after Ukrainian attacks on Russia's oil infrastructure signaled potential supply concerns, and stalled peace talks tempered expectations of a deal restoring Russian oil flows to global markets, though weak fundamentals kept gains limited. Brent crude rose 41 cents or 0.65% to $63.08 US dollars, while US West Texas Intermediate rose 45 cents or 0.76% to $59.40 US dollars. Gold dipped as investors booked profits and turned cautious ahead of next week's U.S. Federal Reserve meeting, awaiting data for clearer cues on the central bank's interest rate outlook. Spot gold slipped 0.5% at $4,179.71 US dollars per ounce. U.S. gold futures for December delivery were down 0.5% at $4,210.20 US dollars per ounce. U.S. stock futures were in a holding pattern on Thursday as Wall Street waited for data to test baked-in expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve will deliver a December rate cut. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures nudged up 0.1%, contracts on the S&P 500 and the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 were also little changed on the heels of small closing gains for stocks more broadly on Wednesday. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 4th.